Hello everyone, ready for dart manipulation part 1. We'll learn 4 key methods to make your patterns stylish. Let's go! Alright friends, to kick off this exciting tutorial, I've prepared a few copies of the bodice pattern. On these copies, I'll be showing you the different dart manipulation methods. The important point is that for most of our work, we'll typically need the bodice pattern up to the waistline, so keep that in mind. Alright, let's move on to our first dart manipulation. For this, I'll first divide the shoulder line exactly in half, and from that midpoint, I'll connect it with a straight, precise line to the bust point. This will be the path for our first dart transfer. Here's an important point. You can also transfer the underbust dart to the shoulder. However, for now, I'm choosing to keep this dart in its original position. And this is a crucial, experience-based tip that you should never forget. When sewing darts, always remember that the dart point must be at least 2 centimeters away from the bust point. This distance ensures the garment drapes beautifully and fits better on the body. Now, the space created by this dart transfer gives us the flexibility to design it as either gathers or pleats, depending on our preference. Here, I'm choosing to execute this space with gathers to add a special touch to the garment. Now, let's move on to our second dart transfer. For this, we'll first divide the neckline circumference in half and connect that point with a straight line to the bust point. The space created by this transfer can also be designed as gathers or pleats, which might involve a redesign of the neckline. A good idea for pleats is to convert a single large pleat into several smaller ones. This makes the garment look much more beautiful and appealing. Well friends, for each of these dart manipulation methods we've learned, there are truly beautiful and captivating designs that completely mesmerize anyone who sees them. In my opinion, garments designed with these seemingly simple, yet in reality utterly attractive and creative dart transfers will become completely unique and special. I'm sure every woman would love to have at least one of these beautiful and distinctive pieces in her wardrobe. So don't underestimate these techniques. Dear friends, for now, in this video, I just want to show you the space created by these dart transfers. But don't worry. Very soon, in upcoming channel videos, I'll teach you the complete methods of designing and sewing and how to transform these very spaces into truly beautiful and attractive garments. So stay tuned. Now, let's move on to our third dart transfer. For this transfer, we'll come down approximately 8 to 12 centimeters from the armhole, mark that point, and connect it with a straight line to the bust point. It's often better to design this transfer as pleats, as it truly looks more beautiful. However, it's entirely a matter of preference. You can even sew it as a dart. The choice is yours on how to make your garment look more beautiful. And now we come to our fourth and final dart transfer for today. For this, we'll draw a line parallel to the bust point that extends to the center front CF line. The space created by this transfer can be beautifully and attractively designed as gathers on the garment, adding a special touch to your work. Alright friends, we've reached the end of part 1 of our dart manipulation tutorial. I hope you enjoyed these 4 practical methods and that many new ideas have sparked in your minds. In the next video, we'll learn even more of these exciting dart transfers. So, to make sure you don't miss any of our tutorials, always follow the channel and regularly check our lessons in the courses section. Until the next tutorial, take care and create beautiful garments. Goodbye.